बॉलीवुड वेटरन एक्ट्रेस रेखा तैयार है अपनी परफॉर्मेंस से आईफा 2024 के अवार्ड्स में आग लगाने के लिए। To know all the details, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. The International Indian Film Academy (IFA) 2024 has grabbed all the attention, and viewers are waiting to watch the prestige award show on the television screen. The nominations were recently announced, and fans are quite excited for the same. This year's IFA is almost special as Shah Rukh Khan will be returning as a host after 10 years. He manages to turn heads with his charming persona. However, the official team revealed that Rekha will be performing at the award function. जी हाँ, आपने बिल्कुल सही सुना। आईफा के इंस्टाग्राम पेज ने एक पोस्ट शेयर किया जहां उन्होंने रिवील किया कि वेटरन एक्ट्रेस रेखा परफॉर्म करेंगी लाइव और उनकी परफॉर्मेंस से लोग मेस्मराइज होने वाले हैं, ये बात तो कंफर्म है। अपने पोस्ट को कैप्शन करते हुए आईफा रोट, "The mesmerizing Rekha is all set to perform live at Nexa IFA Awards 2024. Join us for a spectacle of stardom and glamour on 28th September in the Etihad Arena, Yas Island, Abu Dhabi." कुछ ही देर के अंदर कमेंट सेक्शन इस न्यूज से भर गए और लोगों ने अपनी खुशी एक्सप्रेस करते हुए लिखा, "Congrats मैम जी, very excited, can't wait, legends are there, for real it shall be an epic night full of memories. Never been excited in my life more than this. Rekha ma'am legend, it's been a while since she performed anywhere. And also, wow, this will be a true treat." Talking about the official statement of IFA, Rekha spoke her heart out about her excitement about performing for the award show. She said that IFA holds a special place in her heart as it not only represents Indian cinema but also a great fusion of art, culture and love on a global stage. Moreover, Rekha said that it feels like home, where the magic of Indian cinema comes alive, and she had the privilege of experiencing its magic firsthand over the years. The beautiful actress Rekha continued by saying that being a part of the iconic festival once again is a profound honor for her, and she is thrilled to contribute to the legacy of IFA. She said that the energy, warmth and passion of the audience make it an unparalleled experience, and she is looking forward to celebrating the cinema at Yas Island, Abu Dhabi, and creating more cherished memories with everyone at the 24th edition of IFA. She concluded by saying that the incredible fans and the IFA family make this journey truly unforgettable. Moreover, Shahid Kapoor will also be performing at the event. Fans will witness Shah Rukh Khan and Karan Johar's strong bond as they return as the host for the event. Well, आप कितने excited हो IFA 2024 के लिए? Do let us know your views in the comment section below, and for more such latest updates, do follow our page.